Hello, in this video we will demonstrate the new Schematic Editor Alignment Assistant feature, available with Typhoon Hill Control Center software version 2021.3. For all of you who want to keep your model neat and tidy, you know how important it is to keep all the components aligned. Until this software release, this could only be done by hand. This is especially hard for complex power electronics and microgrid models with a lot of different components. In order to illustrate this new functionality, let's open a previously made model. As you can see, all the components are connected, however it is obvious that they are not well aligned. In order to activate Alignment Assistant, you just need to check the Show Alignment Guidelines checkbox, located in the lower left corner of Schematic Editor. We can now start aligning the components. You can observe that by clicking on any component or subsystem, Schematic Editor will display alignment guidelines. To start, let's align the grid UI with the grid component. As you can see, both horizontal and vertical dashed lines are generated. Let's now align the rest of the components. Now our model looks much more organized and more visually appealing. We hope that this feature will help in your day-to-day work. If you have any additional questions or topics that you would like us to cover, let us know in the comments. Thank you for watching.